Yes.
Yes.
Ambo. Yeah. At the CRA, Amber Boys are the struggle. Amber Boys and for Ebonji. Yes. Yes. Yes.
No, there was several fixed time. Memo tell heavy the pastor can give it in the road chop.
I just say una the fix the road for say una brother the way they dey for Kumba, una sister the way they dey for Boya.
Yeah, they all want to keep standing show so that they fit between the shop.
Okay.
We fight for the matter where they.
Okay. Yeah. So we don't hear say una chop not the go Douala again.
No, but our chop not go Douala oh.
Okay.
Oh na Kumba Boya Limbe na so the same.
For say una brother they chop the fat.
No, they chop fat.
Because they know we hear say una the talk say they not fit the kiwi, I will defeat them.
Yes, Mr. Issa Cheruma talk say we dogs and rats, we terrorists.
Yes.
So, dogs not a feed animal, human being. The human being feed dog.
That is it.
Yes. So what one of them just went into a church. Maybe animal, maybe human being about do not chop. We dog them. We green. See how the song on road.
So Amber Boys of Ebonji. So for this wonderful work way una dey do and so who dey motivate una? How una dey really cope for fuel this camion them for say una work this fine work? Yes.
This contribution we contribute as a youth.
Because for me, where I just come now as we say if na work where they want pay una 1.5 million small for the work for today. So una fit see how Amber Boys there is struggle for fix their road, for say chop for the pass free. For go for Boya Limbe for their brothers and their sisters them. So they don't decide say they not defeat the Republic man again. Because the moment we give the energy, they cash with the local and they kiwi. So we don't decide we say for fix our road. So this strength, all man the dad play where they come up, but Amber Boys and our boys and where they get courage. They're going ahead, no turning back. Amber. Amber? Okay. Una fit see how all the boys they set. Any man, some people that they will see this morning, they never chop, but they don't care. If they say power, the always still come na come. So all man did that, the kind of power where Amber Boys they get and today.
All the youth they all come out today, like one man, for system they arrange and road them.
Yes.
The Mongo road na the major road where they link Ebonji, Loom. In link Kumba, link Boya. So we don't look safe, we don't fix the road. We will work farm, things they don't come out. So don't say more at least today, so we can see what we will do. They will tell government, see committee, say no say, as we work so they pay back. No matter what, we will not ever tire. We don't come out today one man. Amber Oye!
Oye!
Amber Oye!
Oye!
Voilà.
I hear some una brother talk say, if they be born in Apola Republic, waiting for happen. Hey! Damn if they not be born for Ambalani for don't die.
People don't die since.
Hey!
Okay, you walk out.
Oye!
Come down.
Tie face no dey. You tie face who be say no. Now you say yes, you want face who. Some man that your papa for here. Hey, the Amber Boys them. Amber Boys of Ebonji. This one they really been a different Amber. Yes. Because at the surprise the kind of energy where Amber Boys of Ebonji they get.
Now this where the link from
and Amber Boys. Amber Boys. We don't hear say people that the pass, they give una small bribe, una take them, they say una wash una clothes.
No, not every for
bribe. But yes, say Amber Boys, they don't want them, no 10 francs.
We bribe, we don't want 10 francs.
They say they get their strength for work their work.
When our Amber money, no do that thing, I will not take we bribe.
Amber Oye, Amber Oye. You can see the Amber Boys of Ebonji, very serious. And they are very, very determined.
Yes, na road where the limit from Loom
They say
To Kumba.
they no go tire until they see the end. They no go tire.
Oh, people tire. No be tire.
So una fit see how the road dey wey the Amber Boys they struggle. Amber Boys of Ebonyi. For the whole starting Cameroon, Amber Boys Ebonyi be very different. And they be very serious and united because they dey na Amber one spirit. So una fit see this thing where they happen, so you know they happen for no Amber land, only Ebonyi. So this village will be very, very determined. And the boy they be very serious. So if you see all, if you use your eyes and see, only they walk where they do them. Even the motor the way they pass. If you see how some of the motor they pass now, the camion they try to pass free. Stress no day again. Amba oye!
Oye!
Amba oye!
Oye!
If they be bomb me na for la Republic, I for die me oh. If they no be bomb me for Amberland, I for run die so till they bury me.
For don't die to tell the bury me because Chon no dey for la Republic. It's so far.
As you stand here, the M2 now here.
Hey! When I see young Abazonian, very young, see Pikin for 12 years, they don't start work. People that did that the kind of energy, mommy don't call it 50 time make can chop. He say, mommy, I don't get time where concern Amber work. Will not retire until we see the end. So all man is surprised. When I see small Pikin, we're supposed to sit down for us, but the fixed road. Eh? Voilà. Where? Yes.
Ebonyi ude so Amberland Ebonyi.
Yes.
We dey struggle with fish or so that makes say ko can see we.
Yes.
Amber oye.
Oye. So na tire make you the sleep so.
Tire my brother na tire.
Oh.
Chop this morning.
Well, una no mind, it go be fine. We dey hear some of una friends they talk say they get hope say next year the kind time motor na breeze for motor in Aku because the good run we go there here sometime one of the highest good run inside Cameroon.
As you talk na so e dey.
Na so some your friends they don't tell me.
Na so e dey my brother.
Okay, Amber.
Oye.
Boys they go load motor again. The first they run the brimstone then so that one don't flop. They don't throw that one there. They want go bring some stones them again. So una fit see another motor enter for carry with stones them again for same fish road. Una fit see other side for the road. Other Amber boys they very serious for work. The boys they get enough energy. Na bread Amber boy the chop and so we not the worker. Na Kumba people they don't even sorry we give we some more bread more the chop. Una fit see how every Okada they pass now at ease. The stress not over there again for every Okada people. So at least the Amber boys are really doing their work. So una fit see how Amber boys they struggle for fix stone them for road so that camion way is there ahead if way it come if it pass freely. So for the level where the road be fed there for this Amberland Ebonyi, the level where that road be fed there now as compared to that time now na good wrong. Because even when I go see how that motor the pass now, let's say na good wrong.
You can see we for village, we for Ebonyi gang. So that more praise for him, that say more dance for him fine.
We jubilate with him.
Jubilate with him, so the waiting and why they would fight for fix the road make us see him.
Exactly.
Yes.
So that may not only hear about
No,
una.
not only hear about Ebonyi, they self can see him. Now why don't the fix the road for say make fast so free.
We thank God, we thank God. Amber boys of Ebonyi, you people are very hardworking. And the strength is too much. Yeah, now one of the drivers and that for that road where the road tie them. But as we run the struggle for poor effort with the Amber boys of Ebonyi, we don't see say what driver that is stressed. For supply we stand where the common mongo. For be our houses them. It over be costly. So even driver then now they don't the fee fine. Yes. When I feel see how we that motor the pass now at ease. No stress. Because the Amber boys they say they don't want me no man stress for Amber land. This is our motherland, very free. Any man waiting for Amber land must feel free. Now why that would struggle? Say even what driver the way that the supply we stand made they not suffer. When I feel see how the motor the pass now at ease. Okada people then too now they don't get their track. Where at first track no be there. Voila. On a pu see how the motor the come now. Voila. Voila. On a pu see how we Kumba riders and too they don't get their track. Yes. Okay, that other motor don't come out, the other one don't enter again. We stones them again because these potholes them they be really now, they not be easy. So another motor that is still come for some to feed the hose them. For some not get stressed for some different motor come motor pass go Kumba. Yes, Mr. Nelson. Mr. Nelson, what you feel talk about this wonderful work we want to do and so?
Well,
Una Amber boys of Ebonyi.
Well, as you see, what we struggle for doing, not about our power, but about the power of God.
Amen.
Because not only God will give you the power to do all these things, and with the love, we will get them for the spirit of Amber. Because if not, because we love Ambazonian and the spirit of Amberland, the day within us, we know for the do the kind of work.
Amen.
Because for more than how many years now, the road don't be, even now, so even try to better because now we don't work as so since.
Yes.
So if we not be doing so like motor in the past, as you look for up and you look for down, you will see motor and plenty.
Yes.
So they will struggle for say, move chop, we there for our own land for Ebonyi, to send them for our brother the way they boya limbe. So that at least move feed our brother the way in our dogs and do like we because they don't call we say dogs. We never give a chop for the Republic. Because the Republic they call we say dogs.
Yes.
So we don't decide say no, this time around we never give them a chop. Because we struggle all around, we need to see no benefit. For more than how many years?
Hold on the supply and chop.
Supply and chop. They still call we say dogs. And they are same military force again, they still take gun, they shoot we. So we never give them chop.
So I hear one of your brother try for talk say the main reason where chop not they go for La Republic na say we not feed them, where they not feed them, then they still get energy for come beat them, catch their brother, then lock them.
Yes, not true. Because the chop they want to move on for here, we the give them the chop in a lesser price. And again, they still get that power for carry gun. We can't shoot we. Because many of our brothers now they for Boya. We don't detain them for Boya prison. For many other prison them.
Some
around the Anglophone zones.
And some man try for talk say and the ones themselves they don't die, they be many again. So I don't lost many souls.
Yeah, we don't lost many. Even some corpses now they don't be discovered because of the threat where La Republic put them.
Okay. I feel try for interview the president himself.
Thank you.
Ladies, fellow Ambazonian people. Now, president this or Amberland, he get some talk for this wonderful community work where it don't be whole where no man nobody even expect say something like this go happen today. So all man be surprised for see this wonderful walkway. We do and so today we if na pay. So President, you get anything for tell we how you do organize this community work? So take it be for this level where all man the surprise motor that they pass free, they not get no stress.
The Amber Spirit organize the community work.
Yes.
And the spirit of Ambazonia, where everybody feel like inside it.
Yes.
I type of some develop Ambazonia land.
Yes.
Maybe like Republic land again. Amber Spirit now to make this community work to go on while the way to school. Mr. and say no, you bought the day for your back.
Thank you for that wonderful speech, President. Thank you very much.